kakhulu ke isimo phakathi ke kukaGabriel kanye ke no Felicia, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sai Live and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 26th to the 30th of May 2025 on Monday. Gabriel draws Bongo into his charade of being a supportive father. Wendy drives Mpumi away, urging her to stay with her drunken uncle on Tuesday. Gabriel makes a daring move to reclaim control while Maruna carefully constructed wall crumbles beneath her on Wednesday. Felicia finds herself in an emotional darker place while Gabriel lives his best life. Lies on top of more lies cause a serious storm for two disconnected couple on Thursday. Felicia finds herself alone in the fighting corner. Chicken come home to roost for Maruna. Nobuhle comes to a sobering realization about Ishmael on Friday. A young bride takes a daring leap of faith. Felicia drowns in despair. Ishmael hits a sweet note with Buhle. Well, guys, that is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.